process 3. You know, in algebra, we have different levels of algebra. We have algebraic process 1, algebraic process 2, algebraic process 3. Now, when you look at algebra is classified into so many areas: linear algebra, quadratic, algebraic fraction, like a lot of it. So what we have to look at here is algebraic fraction, and that's the algebraic process 3. Algebraic fraction is what we want to look at today. Algebraic fraction. And we are going to take one example. And please, if you know you didn't understand, you can still drop comment, and I will give you more explanation in my next class. Now, we have y all over y minus 1 all over y. This is the question. We have to simplify this. So the question is simplify the given algebraic fraction. Solution. Before you solve this, you must have the idea of fraction. You must know the basis of fraction. What am I saying? In fraction, we deal with BODMAS. In BODMAS, we know that we must solve bracket before off before division, division before multiplication, multiplication before addition, addition before subtraction. You need to follow these steps to know how to solve fraction. And you must know that whenever you come across fraction or mathematics, you need to use the idea of fraction and algebra to solve it. Now, the reason I'm explaining this is because we have a fraction here, and we also have another fraction in the denominator. So we are going to look at the denominator first. First of all, let's isolate the denominator. Y minus 1 all over y. This is over 1. Now, we are going to take the LCM. We are going to take the LCM of this. So taking the LCM of this, our LCM is going to be y. Y divided by y is going to give us 1. 1 times 1 is 1. You bring down the minus. Y divided by 1 is y. Y times y is y raised to power 2. Now, we are done solving the denominator of the given fraction. So you can now write it as y all over, you write this one, you write from here, y raised to power 2 minus 1 all over y. Now this is a big division sign, a big division line that is differentiating the y from this other denominator. Now you can now write y divide y raised to power 2 minus 1 all over y, because this division is the same thing as this one. Now we cannot work with division in fractions, so you turn it to times. Turning this to times, the left hand side, the right hand side of the denominator will go up and the numerator will come down. So we have y times y all over y raised to power 2 minus 1. The denominator, you take it up and bring the numerator down. So what is left here is just to multiply this to this, which should now give us y raised to power 2, that is y times y raised to power 2 all over y raised to power 2 minus 1. Now our final answer is this. We have simplified algebraic fraction. The given question is y all over y minus 1 over y, when simplified, will give us y raised to power 2 all over y raised to power 2 minus 1. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel and follow up. Thank you.